लेट्स ओपन दिस, जल्दी जल्दी अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं, उसके बाद बहुत काम है, इसको बाहर भी ले जाना टेस्ट के लिए, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग। पहले इसको निकालते हैं। Long pole stick, selfie stick, which is upgraded. It's a second generation carbon fiber stick, or purchased in 2,899 rupees from Amazon India. Anyways, so this is through Shenzhen Intelligent Digital Corporation Limited. It's a beautiful stick. You can see there's a GoPro mount in it. This comes with an envelope and GoPro mount. So I'm ready with this second generation carbon fiber stick, and it has a weight of 260 grams and length of 44 centimeter product length. So 300 means 300 centimeters. So anyways, let's go. So guys, dun, dun, dun. So guys, presenting the Telsin carbon fiber, and let's see how GoPro on it वो क्या कमाल दिखाता है। चलिए, कार्रवाई तो करनी बनती है ना, आप लोगों को एंटरटेन तो करना है, आप खर्चे तो किए आप लोगों के लिए। आप लोग बेल आइकन दबाओ, तब तक सब्सक्राइब करो। मैं बाहर चलता हूँ और उसके साथ थोड़े मजे करते हैं। So guys, this is the stick, Telsin ka 3-meter stick, carbon fiber stick, and this is my GoPro. So let's do some crazy stuff. This was the very first thing which I was excited about. अब ये कितनी लंबी, how much long is it? We'll get to know, right? So get ready for this. I hope I can make a better deal out of it. So first I'll see if it gets adjusted. Oh, here we go. We're all set to go, guys. अब मुझे ये भी नहीं पता कि what kind of shots would we get from it, but yeah, somehow there we go. Now let's try to carry this, and it is recording, so I'm gonna take the first shot. Let's see how it goes. So finally this is going to be our pan shot first. Let's see how it goes. So finally I tried to take a kind of a drone feeling wala shot. So I tried to take a top shot from it, and you can see it's just a bit of slow motion added to this footage. It looks smooth like buttery, and it was really amazing. So this is what it does. It was my first experience, but I was still trying to do more stuff like this one. See? Yeah, you would learn eventually when you would use this stick more and more, but it does feel heavy in your hands. So you need a lot of time for post stabilization, colors and everything, though this is not colored. It's a normal kind of a video. While I was trying to go for this 3-meter selfie stick of carbon fiber, I met my small kid. He's like a little brother. His name is Yavar. So I have used him as a subject. So I am thankful to Yavar that he has participated in this. I think he's in a hurry, but let's try to do something with Yavar as well, because kuch na kuch to karna padega. Guys, this was the good moment that I got this kid from the colony and he helped me. So I made him a subject, told him to stand inside the trees, because this was like, you can use it as a gimbal as well. For example, like this shot. This looks, but it's a bit stabilized. You can use this kind of a stick for such shots as well. So guys, this is how it looks like. ये आपका एक सेल्फी मोड जो है इसमें, it looks sexy. मतलब बिल्कुल ज़बरदस्त चीज़ें हो रही है मेरे साथ आज, बहुत दिनों बाद घर से निकले and I was extremely waiting for this selfie stick. 3 mm लंबी selfie stick. So you can it's not easy to hold GoPro 9 पे. It is very difficult. You keep walking and you just have to hold this stick. It looks very weird. I can see people all around me, they are just trying to watch me. What is this guy doing? But see, simple है. अगर आपको रोल वाले shots लेने हैं like this, selfie is extremely amazing. And पहले मैं ज़रा इसको इधर करता हूँ. So this is how it looks actually. So this is how much long is it. ठीक है. I think I've still not opened it completely because still I feel कि थोड़ा portion मैंने extend नहीं करा है. But let's see how it goes. अब हम दूसरी लोकेशन में जाके we'll try some.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and I.
So guys, now I'm just outside of my home. So I'm just trying to do some selfie shots with this stick. It's pretty. The first things, like first impression, stick is well balanced. I've seen a lot of videos in which a lot of vloggers have said that stick is not balanced, but it's a bit heavy. You cannot use this for normal vlogging, but some awkward shots which you have to do. So you can do that awkward shots, like you're walking and you want yourself to be having covered in this one, so this is okay for you. But or you can do the top drone shot, but that's like this. You keep walking and you look into the sky and it feels like you're doing something. It's like a fake drone shot. So as of now, I'm really enjoying it. I'm trying to explore this selfie stick of carbon fiber from Telesin, but this really looks ridiculous. And I can see that a lot of people are trying to watch me up. So guys, I'm pretty exhausted. So let's see what we can do in this park. And let me just connect the selfie stick on the GoPro again. I've folded it. I will expand it and let's go with it. Smooth, it really feels great. You really enjoy this. Again a fake drone shot, that's called a top shot. इसमें सिर्फ आपका सिर and आपकी जो body है वो दिखेगी walking distance में.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold, forged to inspire. It's starfire. It's
So guys, this was the way I wanted to use this stick for the very first time. Now I have to get back home, edit those clips, and I'm gonna show you कि भाई ये जो 3 मीटर की selfie stick है, carbon fiber की selfie stick, how it will be. So I'm sure you would love it because this is not meant for daily vlogging. ये कुछ typical shots आप bike ride कर रहे हो या आपको कुछ अजीबोगरीब selfie चाहिए, you want to include yourself or you're with. हाँ, this can be used only when you have 2 to 3 friends around you. You can take a drone shot while they're running or try to make them stand behind the bushes or trees so that you can do something creative. एकलौते अकेले यूज करने की चीज नहीं है ये. This is very heavy, and on top of that, when you have GoPro, and I'm using the GoPro 9 with the cover, I've not removed the cover, so that makes it pretty heavy, but I can still feel the weight of it is too marvelous. You have to be very specific while using this, but I'm gonna love it. I'm really loving this stick. Anyway, it's time to go back. So now we're gonna watch the footage, and after that, press the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. Keep your love and support.
so pure, divine, and I